Audencio Delgado with AG Drywall. If you had somebody to do a ceiling repair for you and you have this kind of texture, if your repairman didn't scrape off the texture like we did here, all the way around the repair, they started the repair the wrong way. You might ask why? Well, when you have this joint here and they put the compound or the tape right on top of the old texture, it's gonna build up. It's gonna create another layer. Then you're gonna put the first coat, it's gonna create another layer. Then the second coat is gonna create another layer. So you already have 3 layers that is gonna be building up. By the time that you finish doing the texture, you're gonna end up with a big bump on your ceiling. Now, this is a garage. And a lot of people might say, it's just a garage. For us, it doesn't matter. If you have us to do a ceiling repair, we're gonna do it right. It doesn't matter if it's part of the house or if it's the garage. It has to be done right. So, I don't know if it makes any sense what I explained to you. And if you didn't know, and now that I explained to you, if it makes sense, leave it in the comments.